In today's video, I'll show you how easy it is to make fluffy coconut rice. For this recipe, you will need 1.5 cups of water, half a cup of coconut milk, 1 cup long grain rice, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When purchasing the coconut milk, the main thing to look for is for it to say coconut milk on the label. This particular brand was very thick. To begin cooking, turn the stove on to medium heat. For my electric stove, it was at number 5. Then add all ingredients except for the rice. This mixture has to come to a boil before adding the rice. And this usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes for it to come to a boil. Once the liquid has come to a boil, then you will add the rice. Give the mixture a quick stir, cover with a lid, and don't remove the lid for the next 20 minutes. Set a timer for 5 minutes so you can check on the rice to make sure it's cooking. At this point, it will take a total of 15 minutes to completely cook the rice. After 15 minutes, turn the stove off, but leave the rice mixture on the stove for another 5 minutes. This is the secret to fluffy rice. It has to rest for 5 minutes prior to removing lid. Now you can remove the lid and fluff the rice with a fork. There you have it, Belizean coconut rice. Coconut rice has a very delicious flavor, so much better than just plain white rice. Serve this rice with a meat dish or enjoy it on its own. If you liked today's video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and God bless.